right, so the breaker was just tripped. That's all it was. And now they have power. Power here. The microwave works again. Was there any other concern? Or that's all you were powering here?
Yeah. That was the only problem. This like complete wall because this wasn't working either.
It works now.
Let's
Let's just. Yeah.
This one wasn't working either.
Yeah, it's hot.
Okay.
You're good. Yeah. I mean, you can even plug in if you want to verify, but this tells me you got power also.
Yeah.
Good.
That was it.
So that's all your concern was?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're good to go then.